lunch break. Again, I apologize for my chocolate stain on my nice white shirt. I made chocolate chip pancakes for the boys this morning, and then when I handed Brooks off to the sitter, he got some on me, so just ignore that. All right, so we're going to do a couple practice problems, and this is going to be kind of like your assignment for today. Again, this is in your book, so if you ever need extra practice, anything like that, you always have plenty of pages, about 4 to 6 pages every day, that you can continue to work through, okay? So it asks us to use the term, the directions say are terms, so that's what we just learned. You should still have access to those if you need to go and look back. So right here we have a dot and a dot. So this is a line segment. This is when they stop, okay? So if you want to write line segment. For number 5, this is an angle. So we're not going to have the word line. We're going to need the word angle. Or you can just draw a picture of an angle. Now remember, think about going on a walk. We're going to start here. This is angle P, and then follow your sidewalk. No cut-throughs. P, Q, R. So I don't think Dr. Curran was here when you guys were here, but Dr. Curran was the principal before Miss Kale, and she was here for years and years and years. So she was the only principal I had. However, Miss Kale was one of my teachers, if you didn't know that. And she did not let you cut corners. Even parents knew you did not cut corners. She would make you go and walk back and do a whole bunch of stuff. So we do not cut corners working with angles. You follow the sidewalk, okay? All right, number 6. Number 6, we have a dot, a point, right? And then it continues on. Think about a ray of sunshine. So this would be a ray. And going back here, this is a right angle. I didn't properly answer that question, so my apologies. And number 7, again, we have another angle. So what kind of angle is this? It's smaller than this right angle. So, oh, it's so cute. This would be a cute. Okay, I want to scroll down a little bit. Okay, you're going to have some problems that look like this. It's going to be way better online. I just went and double checked it. So you could definitely have some that are similar. So even though the name is different, even though the term is different, I'm going to show you an example. It could be still 2 things. It's just how you verbalize it and how you write it to differentiate the 2. So for example, here it says to name 4 rays, and here it says to name 4 line segments. We know that line segments are those 2 points and they don't have any arrows. And then we know that 4 rays have a point and then they continue on with that arrow. Now it's really tricky in the book, but online I think that it'll be better for you. But I want to just show you an example here. So a line segment, we're going to look for 2 points, right? So we've got P and we've got Q for our line segment. But for naming 4 rays, that could also be considered a ray because we have this and it goes into our arrow. So a lot of you would have said that it would have not been a line segment, but just kind of cover up the arrow, and technically it is, right? We've got our point and our point there. Again, your assignment is going to be much, much easier. It's going to give it to you. It's going to have all 3 of your directions just like this, but it's going to unlock each one after you've answered it. So first you'll click the correct line segments. You don't even have to type them in. They give you, it's like multiple choice basically. And then once you get that correct, then it'll give you, then it'll give you this one. And it's okay if some of them are the same, okay? It's definitely okay. Well, you guys have a great time working. If you need any help, definitely sign up for Zoom, email me, anything like that. But I hope today is going to be easy for you. All right, have a great day.